And welcome back, teachers. We are going to continue looking at Google Classroom. The next thing we're going to create is a quiz assignment. In our previous lesson, we looked at assignments, but let's look at a quiz now. So I'm going to create a quiz, and I'm just going to call this a quiz demo. Instructions. Please answer each of the questions. Okay. Now you can see that we have right here a blank quiz that we're doing. Of course, you have the option to add existing pieces in here as well. So you could add from Google Forms and stuff like that. By default, though, it's going to make this blank quiz. And when I click on that blank quiz, it's actually going to allow me to come out here and edit that quiz. So I'm just going to call this quiz for demo. And I'm going to make this here a multiple choice question. Just ask it saying something simple like choose your favorite color from the ones below. And I'm just going to change this. Let's just do like red, blue, green, orange, and let's do purple. That's so yellow. Okay. And of course, just like any other quiz, you have the option to rearrange these just like you would in a normal Google form. Right, you have the option to change the different types, so you can do multiple choice. You can do a checkbox, where a checkbox, remember, is if you want them to choose more than one response. You can do a drop down, and what that is going to mean is they're going to have a single thing. They're going to click on it. It's going to choose a drop down menu. You can do a file upload, so if you wanted them to upload something for a question. So let's say you had them do a written out question. They could take a picture of that question, upload that into the file upload menu here. Linear scale, so that's like choosing on a scale of like 1 to 5. You can multiple choice grids, short answer, paragraph, a whole bunch of different options that are available in here too. All right, so I'm just going to do that. I'm also going to, just for the purpose of our thing here, I'm just going to add one more. I'm going to rearrange this. For this question, see, type your name. And I'm just going to pull this up. There we go. That is our quiz. All right, I'm going to just flip these on as required questions. Always good to do that because unless you have an optional question, always good to flip that on because otherwise students could inadvertently skip it. So make sure you just flip that on. Now, of course, you can have it on multiple choice and stuff like that. You can have an answer key. In the answer key, of course, you can set how many points it's worth. So let's say I make this worth 5 points. And then, of course, I can choose a correct answer. All right. Or if I had multiple correct answers, I can do that as well. It allows me to dictate that. But I'm just going to choose red just for the purpose of this video so you can see it. On this short answer question, you can see there's no points here, so I'm going to just make that 5 points as well. So just a quick demonstration. So there's my short answer. This one is a drop down. Okay, so there is that quiz all created. So I'm just going to close out of this for now. And if I click back on that quiz, you can see, even though it says blank quiz, I'm going to rename this quick to quiz or demo, just so we know that that is indeed the name of it. So if I come back to here, that should update here in a second, but let's just go ahead and check our other settings. I'm going to change the points of this just to 10 points because it's a 10-point quiz that I created. I'm going to set I can set a due date if I want, but I'm not going to right now. Not going to give it a topic other than put it under Unit 1. Not going to worry about rubric. And I'm not going to worry about checking for plagiarism because this is just a quiz. All right, so that should be everything. I'm going to just go click on Assign. And you can see here's my quiz. Now, if I wanted the quiz to come after the assignment, I'm just going to drag the quiz demo below that of the assignment demo. And if I wanted to come back and edit this one, same thing with the assignments. If I ever need to come back and edit these, I can just click on those 3 dots, click on edit, and you can see here's my information. You can see also now that blank quiz has been updated to quiz for demo. All right, and that's how you can create a quiz super quick and easy. Also remember that if you are on this quiz, you see here's how it's going to look. If you are doing a quiz, let me just open up this assignment here just real quick. All right. If I wanted to actually go and edit this, I can, of course, edit it further. If I can't, for example, right now you can see it's just opening straight up to the quiz. I can always go out to my Google Drive, and find the quiz there and edit it there. All right, so that is going to wrap up this one. In the next video, let's go ahead and look at questions.